Hello guys, I hope you guys are good. Here in South Africa, my name is Sikhumbuzo. Praise, that's who I am, and the weather is good. Thank God. I'm looking at my window right now, I'm like, wow, God, thank you for this weather. It's actually lovely. It's actually very nice. It's not so hot, it's very chilled, and I'm loving it. So I'm just being productive here. Yeah. So thank God, man. Oh man, I tell you, I'm so thrilled. I'm so excited, super excited about my brand new single. I actually wrote this song last year, in 2020, and yeah, so I'm actually the songwriter and the singer, for this song. It's a worship song, it's this song is very close to my heart, and yeah, it's really about acknowledging, the man behind everything that I do, which is God. It's all about praising Him, in worship. So yeah, so it's really a beautiful song, and it has a strong message, and it's so relevant, and yeah, people are gonna love it. The guy who produced the song, it's Skippy, is an amazing music producer here in South Africa. Yeah, so man, and yeah, so it's really an amazing song. Yeah, so I'm super excited about the song, man, and I'm loving it, man. I can't wait to share the song, with you guys anytime soon. Just waiting for the right time. But yeah, so far so good. Yeah, man. You know what? I actually featured three artists. Who are actually my friends, and I've known them. I've known these guys for some time. And yeah. So I'm here in South Africa, so I'm one of the artists. So I'm the fourth one. So there's Aaron Sounds from Uganda. He's an amazing guy, man. He loves God. We are all Christian. So yeah, and I spoke to him. He was like, no, man, let me come on board. So I actually invited him to come on board, as one of the singers. So yeah, I'm glad that he came through, And then there's another guy, man, all the way from Ghana, A. Liole. What a humble guy he is, Oh, man, he's an amazing singer. So yeah, he came through for me as well. And then the last artist that I invited was Enoch Esbuka, all the way from Nigeria. He's based in Nigeria, So these are all amazing singers, man. These are recording artists, and they're doing big things in Africa, man. So yeah. So it's good to have these guys on my song, man. And yeah, we did our best. And I'm so delighted, I'm so delighted about the outcome. I'm so excited and satisfied about the outcome. It's going to be amazing. I'm sure everyone, they can't wait to hear the song. I'm talking about the artist, to be specific. So yeah, we did our best, man. So, we can't wait to bless everyone, with our voices and with our guitars, yeah. It was amazing, man. I remember when I had to record my parts here in South Africa, man. The atmosphere in the studio was amazing, and yeah. So like I said, I worked with Skippy, Yeah, it's actually the one who produced the song. So it was really amazing, man. And the presence of the Lord was there, man. So yeah, it was really amazing, man. I'm telling you, it was good. Yeah, I mean, I do know some of the African gospel artists. Like in South Africa, we have our own Benjamin Dube, Ubaba Benjamin Dube, and Obama Mtunzi. Yeah. So, and then in Ghana, there's Joe Metal. He's amazing. And yeah, so and then in Nigeria, there's Tim Godfrey. So yeah, these are the legendary, and yeah, so they've been around in the gospel industry for some time. They've done very well. So we look up to those guys. They inspire us every day. And yeah, they respect the art. They take their brands very seriously. And they're growing each and every day. Each and every year they're growing. Their music is actually very amazing. Yeah, so they inspire us, and we're being inspired by them. We are really being inspired by those guys. I'm smiling. I'm sure you can see that. You know what? Let me tell you this, man. Yeah, let me tell you this. The single, You Are Holy, it's gonna be available on Spotify, anytime soon from now, So yeah, so I can't wait, man, to share the song, on Spotify. So please, guys, your support, it's gonna be highly appreciated. Please do support it. Make sure you stream it, you download it, tell your friends as well, about this good news. It's got nothing to do with us as artists. It's really about God, man. It's a beautiful song. You know what? The next plan right now, once the song has been released, is to do live concerts. Yeah, doing live concerts. Perform at the churches. And yeah, so that's a plan right now. So yeah, I can't wait, man. I'm super excited, and I can't wait to meet everyone. You meet new friends. Thank you so much to my friends, fans on my Facebook page. By the way, my Facebook page, it's called, you can check it out, search for Sikhumbuzo Praise. Sikhumbuzo Praise. You can find me on my Facebook page, man. Always there. Some of the stuff you can check it on my YouTube channel. Again, it's the same name, Sikhumbuzo Praise. Sikhumbuzo Praise. You can find me on YouTube. So man, I can't wait to meet you guys. Yeah, just check up with you guys on my social media platform. Yeah, I'm looking forward to engage with everyone. You can just DM. You can DM me. It's fine. It's okay. And then I can engage you, man. Yeah. So yeah, I'm visible on social media, man. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for everything. Stay blessed. God loves you. I love God, man. I love music and I love God. God is everything to me. Yeah, man. I love God and the music, man. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for the interview. Thank you so much for everything, guys. Yeah, enjoy your day, guys. I'm out of here. Thank you. Thank you to all the artists who came on board. Thank you to my team, my graphic designers in Africa. They know who they are. Thank you so much, guys, for the artwork. Thank you. Thank you to the guy who did an amazing work for me as well. Tommy, who's currently doing the mixing and mastering of the work of the song. He's an amazing music producer. Yeah, he did an amazing work, man, in terms of the sound production and everything. It's gonna sound big. It's gonna sound massive. Thank you so much, Tommy, for everything, man. You are amazing. I have so much respect and love for you, man. The level of professionalism. Yeah, he knows the stuff so well, man. He knows the stuff so well. So yeah. He's an amazing guy, man. Thank you so much to Skippy as well. My music producer as well for the song. Thank you so much, man. And yeah, thank you to everyone, man. Yeah, we actually, made this dream a reality, Yeah, you know what I mean? The studio guys, thank you so much to all the studio guys. This is a special thanks, to my daughter, Dumelo, Kumalo. That's my daughter. That's my child. Thank you so much for your emotional support. Thank you so much for everything, and I really, really appreciate it. And also to my sister Thingy Kumalo. She's the one who said, my brother, we can do this. Follow your dream. So she's actually my encourager. So yeah, Siswam, thank you so much. Thingy Kumalo, thank you so much, man, for your support again. So yeah, man, so I really had to thank those two people in my life. My daughter. And yeah, sister, thank you so much.